Cricketers make the game look beautiful and commentators make the game sound beautiful. Commentary is one of the most essential parts of the game, and if we have name one particular commentator then who is the best out of all, then it certainly is Harsha Bhogle. He's one of those guys who has made cricket sound so beautiful in multiple ways. So many of his quotes are extremely pleasant to listen to. Every single person like me who aspires to do commentary someday in their life idolizes Harsha Bhogle because he has a unique way of telling the things which nobody else does. Whenever there is a gap of even 4 to 5 minutes in the play, when there are no advertisements shown at that particular point as well, when rest of the commentators who are former cricketers who are perplexed on what exactly to see, that particular point of time, Harsha Bhogle is never perplexed. He always comes up with something, making sure that audience is taken care of. Which is why Harsha Bhogle is one of the finest guys I've ever seen in my entire life. Since it was his belated birthday, I couldn't really make a video for him that particular day, so thought of making this small video for him, thanking him for his contribution, because we often make it sure that we are thanking the cricketers, we are thanking Rohit Sharma, we are thanking Gautam Gambhir, we are thanking Virat, we are thanking Sachin, we are thanking Saurav, we are thanking every single person, but we often fail to recognize the contribution of these commentators. And if there has to be some commentator which has contributed the most, it undoubtedly is the voice of cricket in the form of Shri Harsha Bhogle sir. On his 63rd birthday, I really pray to God that he lives a really long life, and he continues to make cricket even more beautiful to sound going ahead for many years. Wishing you a very happy birthday, obviously belated, sir. Thank you.